In this video, we will show you an easy way to use Array on Fill and add new objects as clones to create amazing fill patterns. We will apply Array on the fill of the rectangular object and use the small leaf object as base object. Then we will edit the clones to create other fill variations. Before applying Array, make sure that the option Add New Objects as Clones is enabled. Select both objects and apply Array Type from the Fill tab. Let's use the rectangle placement pattern. Adjust the array options using the node editor. This is a nice fill pattern which can be further improved by editing the base object. When applying Array, if Add New Objects as Clones is enabled, all the copies of the base object are marked as its clones. This means that if you edit the shape of the base object using the Edit Nodes mode, all copies are automatically updated as well. See how the fill pattern is updated whenever you edit the base object. Just like that, you can create any pattern you like.